Namaste everyone. Today in this tutorial you will learn to execute OR formula. You can see in this yellow ribbon I have written the syntax. That means it will execute many logical statements which are in the braces but optional logical statement. So what do we mean by that? So you can see if I say A and B, what does that mean? That means we have to select both of the values A and B. We cannot skip one. Now if I write A or B, that means I have to select any optional statement out of them, any optional value. Either I will select A or I will select B. Okay. So that means this formula provides us the ability to use the optional statement, optional logical statement. Fine. So let us understand it with the help of example. Here I have written a table in which I have the scores of 10 students in 2 subjects. Okay. Now just look at the criteria here in this green box. If a student gets more than 50 scores in either of the subject, then he is passed. If you can see all these students, any one student who got more than 50 scores in either of the 2 subjects, then he will be declared passed, otherwise failed. So let us come to this cell, okay, and let's start typing the statement. I can write equal to if logical test. Here I will use OR formula or logical statement. First logical statement will be this. This subject score should be greater than 50. So this cell means B2 cell must be having more than 50 scores. Otherwise, if it is not true, then this cell C2, it must be having more than 50 scores. Fine. Then close the braces. Now this OR formula is ready. That means either this statement will be executed or this statement will be executed. If both are true, then I can say it will accept this value pass. Okay. Otherwise fail. Fine. So close the braces. Now this formula is ready for the execution and I can press enter. You can see why it is passed, because the student is getting scores more than 50 in both of the subjects. So if I want to execute on all of them, I can double click on filler handle. Fine. You can see the result. So why it is failed here, you can see the scores are less than 50 in both of the subjects. And here why it is passed, because here the scores are more than 50 but here they are less than 50. So why it is true, because the OR statement will provide us the option to select any one of them. If any one of them condition met true, then it will execute on the true value. Okay. So we can check it with the help of F2 key. Press it. You can see. Okay. If you want to check the execution of a particular section of the formula, you can go just select that particular part, and many times I have told you, you can press F9 so you can see why it is true. Why it is true? Because it is meeting this condition. Okay, so Control Z, bring it in same position. That's why it is executing pass, otherwise it would have executed on fail. Fine. So that is how the formula is operated on all of the cells. So I hope you have understood the basic concept of OR formula. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.